Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Here in Texas, guys, the temperature, I believe it went up to 102 degrees and it felt much hotter than that because it was hot and humid. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to be working on something that I'm calling Blast from the Past. And it's basically working on your stash because we buy and we buy and we buy and then we forget what we have. So this beautiful painting, I remember the first time I saw it, I was in love with it and I had to have it. This one, I actually bought it in February of 21. So, okay, anyway, so it's from Diamond Art Club. It is a round, and as you can see, it's pink color. It's like a reddish pink, and of course it's a circle, so round diamonds. It's called Tears of Venus by Svetlana Let's see if I can say this. Tikhonova. Okay, I think I got it right, and it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so and it comes in this beautiful box just like the others. Scan me to unlock for 10%. It tells you in the back how it works step by step, what's inside the kit, so you have it in English, French, and in Spanish. All right, so let's open this baby up. I'm very excited about doing this, guys, because yeah, it's like I want to work on what I have, you know. I've done unboxings and I haven't worked on those, and then I have the ones like this one where I never opened and I never did an unboxing. Oh wait, there's something in here. Remember, this is an older kit. Okay, so here's the sticker. I don't know if this only comes with, actually it did come with 2 stickers. I'm sorry. I put the second sticker, the small sticker, underneath the box. That's why I couldn't find it. Okay, so here's the sticker, Tears of Venus by Svetlana Tikhonova. And then you put the start date and the end date, and you can put this in your logbook. And it comes with the pre-cut stickers, okay, which is nice. So you can put these on your container. And of course, this is an older kit, so this is it has the older tool kit, and that's fine. And what I also, before I forget, if you have Tears of Venus, you can join me. I already have a couple of friends that are going to join me, and because they also have this painting. So if you do, you're welcome to. All right, so this comes with resealable bags, and these come in handy just in case you're traveling or you're visiting a friend and you forgot to bring your containers. So you can put the drills in here. Okay, and it comes with 2 heart-shaped waxes, and don't forget to peel the wax. To peel the wax, to peel the plastic. I remember the first time that I was diamond painting ever, the first time, I kept going poking this, and I was like, what's going on? And then I realized, yeah, you have to peel the wax. Peel the plastic. And it does come with a, I think this is a 4 drill, so you can actually pick up 4 drills at the same time. Comes with a very nice blue pen, and this is a single placer, so you can only pick 1 drill at a time. And it also comes with a comfort grip. The comfort grip is supposed to go in your pen. I always struggle with it, so yeah. Oh, there you go, I got it in. And this is supposed to help with your hands, okay, when you're diamond painting, especially I think if you have arthritis. And here is the tray. All right, so let's put all these things aside. Okay, all the Diamond Art Club paintings come in a plastic bag to protect them while they're traveling. And it always says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I always say do what makes you happy. Why not? Okay, let me open this baby up. Okay, so it's in here. It should be the drills. Yep. Anything else? And I believe the instructions. Yep. Okay. So here you have the step-by-step instructions, how to diamond paint. Thank you for your purchase, tips and tricks, and how it works, which is nice because it tells you step by step. And thank you for 10% off your next purchase. All right, so let's put this aside. And of course, here are the drills. It comes with a sticker which says Tears of Venus, just in case you separate the drills from the painting. You'll know that these belong to that beautiful painting. All right. And by the way, all the Diamond Art Club drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. And of course, the canvas from Diamond Art Club is super, super soft, and it's designed that way to prevent fraying and wrinkling. All right. So, oh, this was going to be this way. Okay. And this one, well, let me just open it up. And you could actually, I'm going to actually unroll it. Okay. Look how nice it, I mean, it's been in the box, what, for how many years? Since 21. Yeah, look at this. It's amazing. All right. I'm gonna say curl it. I'm gonna roll it. All right. Okay, as you can see on the right, I mean on the left-hand side on the top, it's got a legend. Okay, and then of course it's got a picture of the painting, and over here on the top it says the name of the painting, Tears of Venus. All right, the legend basically is very, very helpful, guys, because it tells you how many colors it has. So it's got 35 colors. And then in the middle are the symbols, and the symbols is what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place your drills. And the DMC code is just basically the number of the drills of the color. Okay. All right, let's open this baby up. Oh my gosh, she's gorgeous, guys. Wow. Look at that face. All right. On the top, it always has a picture of a diamond. Do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club. Okay. And it also has a legend or schematic on the right-hand side, but this one's on the bottom. All right. And then in the middle on the bottom, it basically tells you where you can find them. Facebook, Instagram. It also has a lifetime warranty. So it's got a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cashback rewards with every order. All right, so now let's look at this beautiful painting, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at how gorgeous she is. What I love, well, let's see what we have here. So here she's got these beautiful big white blossom flowers with some yellow in the middle. And then all around her here, and some of them are floating and they actually look like little umbrellas, which I think is adorable, are red blossoms. So she's basically surrounded by beautiful flowers. And I love that because all the flowers are around her face. So it sort of makes her face the focal point, which it is. Look at that mouth. Look at those sad, she's got like sad eyes. And then it has like all these swirling all around her. And then you've got blue here in the background, but over here it's sort of more like a gray color of the background. And then of course she's got, oops, I'm gonna drop the drills. Here's her neck. Well, let me look at the picture because that helps me even more. Yeah, and this is her shoulder. So you've got a shoulder here. Yeah, she just looks, I don't know, well, it's called Tears of Venus. She has sort of like a sad look to her. But at the same time, she looks powerful, you know? She looks strong. It's gorgeous, guys. I love it. I cannot wait to start. So I will begin this on July 1st. So I'll be working with this beautiful painting for the month of July. But I'm going to be working with it on another painting. Okay, and I'll mention that on another video. All right, she's gorgeous. And also, if you look at it, wow. Her face is very well rendered, and it actually looks really, like it looks real. Like her face looks real. Let me bring it up so you can see. Okay, look at those eyes. Then the flowers, and it's very, very clear. Then goes her mouth, her nose. She's gorgeous. All right, so I'm going to fold this. And we are going to look at the colors. Okay, first one, 310, just one bag of 310, which is black. I think you can see it right there. Okay, 312, baby blue, very dark. I'm gonna move this a little closer. I think that helps. I'm not sure. 317 is pewter gray. 2 bags of 318, which is steel gray light. 321 is red. 322 is baby blue dark. I think we can fit one more here. 334 is baby blue medium. So I think I can squeeze that one there. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah. All right, 355 is terracotta dark. 356 is terracotta medium. 413 is pewter gray dark. 414 is steel gray dark. 498 is red dark. Very little of 550, and that's violet very dark. 648 is beaver gray light. And 666 is red bright. 742 is tangerine light. 743 is yellow medium. 754 is peach light. And 758 is terracotta very light. It's pretty. 803 is the baby blue ultra very dark. 814 is garnet dark. I think I can move it over here. And then 815 is garnet medium. 823 is navy blue dark. Okay, almost finished, guys. 939 is navy blue very dark. 961 is dusty rose dark. 3024 is brown gray very light. 3350 is dusty rose ultra dark. 3371 is black brown. 3778 is terracotta light. Can you see that there? Yeah. 3799 is pewter gray very dark. 3801 is melon very dark, very pretty. And 3830 terracotta. And then of course you have 2 bags of ecru. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's just like a light beige, very pretty. All right, so those are all the colors, very pretty. And then of course we have 2 ABs. All right, so let me just move these out of the way. And ABs are basically Aurora Borealis, and it just basically means it's just a drill with an extra shine on top. All right, so 132, it's an AB, 132 AB, and it's like a little tangerine color. Looks like orange, really. And 141 AB is white. Okay, so let's bring back the beautiful painting. And let's see where these ABs belong. And since it only has 2 ABs, you know what that means, guys, right? I might go AB crazy. Yep. Okay, so let's do 132 first. That's going to be symbol 1. So we're going to look for symbol 1. Okay, I already see it. You have symbol 1. It looks like in the middle of the flowers. Anywhere else? 111. That's it. It's in the middle of the flowers. This is clear. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. And then 141 is going to be symbol 2. And symbol 2, I thought it was going to be on the white flowers, but it does not look like it. It's not on the swirls. That's interesting. Where are you? It's a lot of them. Ah, okay. It is some on the swirl. Okay, I take that back, and it is also on the flowers, on the white flowers. So it's basically on the flowers. Would you add more ABs on this? I would maybe on her lips for her lipstick. And definitely I need some bling on these red flowers. What do you think? I think so. It's just gorgeous, guys. All right, and I think that's about it. That's all I have for tonight. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful night and the rest of the week. And thank you very much, and bye-bye.